everyone. Hope you all are doing well. This video is for class 3 children. Here we are going to do some of the practice questions of chapter number 6. So let's begin. So the question is, Geeta had 267 in her purse. She bought a book for rupees 132. How much money is left in her purse? So there's a question. There's a girl, Geeta, who had 267 rupees in her purse. She bought a book for rupees 132. Okay, then she went to market and she bought a book for rupees 132. How much money is left in her purse? Now we have to tell that how much money is left in her purse. So what we will do? See, total amount Geeta had. Total amount that Geeta had. Total amount Geeta has rupees 267. So it means she bought 267 rupees from her home. Okay, she has 267 rupees. She bought a book for rupees 132. She bought a book. She bought a book. She bought a book of rupees 132. Okay, she bought a rupees of 100. She bought a book of rupees 132. Now we have to tell how much money is left in her purse. Now we have to tell that how much is left with her. Okay, how much money is left with her. She has spent 132 rupees in her book. So now we have to tell how much money is left with her. And to find out how much money is left, we will find the difference between two. Okay, we will find the difference between two, that how much is left with her. So to find the difference, we do subtraction. We do subtraction. Okay, so what we will do, 267 minus 137. See, money left with her. Okay, this is money left. जितना उसके पास अब बचा हुआ है, ठीक है, जितना उसके पास अब बचा हुआ है वो निकालने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, जो टोटल अमाउंट है, ठीक है, जो टोटल अमाउंट वो घर से लेकर आई थी उससे हम माइनस करेंगे क्या, जितना उसने स्पेंड कर दिया. ठीक है, जितना उसने स्पेंड कर दिया. अब देखो, तो देखो, जैसे सपोज आप घर से 20 रुपीज लेके आए हो, ठीक है, तो 10 रुपीज की आपने चॉकलेट ले ली. तो अब कितने पैसे आपके पास बचे हैं वो निकालने के लिए आप क्या करोगे, जो टोटल अमाउंट आप घर से लाए थे दैट इज रुपीज 20, ठीक है, उसमें से जितने की आपने चॉकलेट ले ली रुपीज 10, उसको आप माइनस कर दोगे. ठीक है, 20 रुपीज में से जब आप 10 रुपीज की जो आपने चॉकलेट ली है उसे माइनस करोगे, सो दैट अमाउंट इज लेफ्ट विद यू. इसका मतलब वही उतने रुपए आपके पास बचे हैं. सिमिलरली वो घर से 167 रुपीज लाई थी. आपने जैसे चॉकलेट ली तो उसने क्या लिया है, बुक खरीदी है उसने. ओके, 132 सॉरी, उसने क्या खरीदी है, बुक खरीदी है. तो अब जितना टोटल वो लाई थी उसमें से हम माइनस करेंगे जितने की उसने बुक ली है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सबट्रैक्ट to find that how much money is left with her. So now this is 7 minus 2. So this is your 7 and you have to minus 2. 1, 2. Now how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is left. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 is left. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So it means how much money is left with her? Now money left with Geeta. Money left with Geeta is rupees 135. So now 135 rupees is left with her. Okay, now 135 rupees is left with Geeta. So now the next question is, baby tortoise is 67 years old. So there is a baby tortoise who is 67 years old. Mummy tortoise is 117 years old. And his mummy is 117 years old. Okay, baby tortoise is 67 years old and his mummy is 117 years old. Okay, how much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? So now we have to tell that how much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise. मतलब हमें ये बताना है कि जो बेबी टॉर्टॉइस है वो अपनी मम्मी टॉर्टॉइस से, अपनी मम्मी से कितना छोटा है. ठीक है, जैसे आप लोग हो, आपकी एज भी अपनी मम्मी से कम है, आपकी मम्मी आपसे बड़ी है, तो अगर आप डिफरेंस निकालोगे आप लोग अपनी एज का अपनी मम्मी के साथ, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आप कितने छोटे हो अपनी मम्मी से. सिमिलरली अब हम इन दोनों की एज का डिफरेंस निकालेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि ये जो बेबी टॉर्टोइज है वो कितना छोटा है मम्मी टॉर्टोइज से। ठीक है, अब ये निकालने के लिए कि वो कितना छोटा है हम करेंगे सब्सट्रैक्शन। सब्सट्रैक्शन किसका? उन दोनों की एज का। तो उससे क्या निकलेगा? उन दोनों की एज के बीच का डिफरेंस। ओके, वी विल फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एजेस। सो दैट विल बी the answer that how much younger is baby tortoise and mummy tortoise. So we will do subtraction. See, age of baby tortoise is 67 years. Okay, baby tortoise age is 67 years and age of mummy tortoise is 117 years. So now we have to find that how much baby tortoise is, how much younger is baby tortoise and mummy tortoise. So for that we will do subtraction. We will find the difference between their ages. Okay, so let's find 117 minus 67. So 7 minus 7 is your 0 and I can't minus 6 from 1. So what I'll do, I'll borrow 1 from here. So this one will become 0 and this one will become 11. So now I can minus 6 from 11. Okay, 6 is already here. Let's count from 7 till 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5. 11 minus 6 is your 5. So it means 50 years. So baby tortoise is 50 years smaller than mummy tortoise. इसका मतलब उनकी एज में कितना डिफरेंस है? 50 years. जो बेबी टॉर्टोइज है वो 50 years छोटा है मम्मी टॉर्टोइज से. ओके, therefore baby tortoise is 50 years younger than mummy tortoise. Okay, younger than mummy tortoise. So baby tortoise is 50 years younger than mummy tortoise. Now the next question is, Arvind has read 79 pages of a storybook. So there is a boy Arvind who has read 79 pages of a storybook. Okay, and Shikha has read 44 pages of storybook, and Shikha has read 44 pages of the same storybook. Okay, so there is a storybook. Arvind has read 79 pages of that storybook, and Shikha has read 44 pages of that storybook. So now we have to tell how many more pages Arvind read than Shikha. So now we have to tell, as we can see, Arvind has read more pages. Okay, because 79 is greater than 44. We already know that Arvind has read more pages, but we have to tell that how many more. Means कितना ज्यादा पढ़ा है. हमें ये पता है कि ज्यादा पढ़ा है, but कितना ज्यादा पढ़ा है ये निकालना है. And whenever we have to find that how many more, okay, then whenever we have to compare two things and we have to find that how many more is this. So what we do subtraction. Okay, we always do subtraction for finding how many more. Okay, like here we have to find how many more pages. So I will do subtraction. Okay, when I do subtraction, I'll get a number that is the difference between the pages that they have read. So that will be my answer. See, Arvind has read 79 pages, and Shikha has read 44 pages. So Arvind has read 79 pages and Shikha has read 44 pages. हमें निकालना है दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस. क्यों निकालना है दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस? बिकॉज हमें ये बताना है कि अरविंद ने कितने ज्यादा पेजेस पढ़े हैं. ठीक है, ये हमें पता है कि ज्यादा पढ़े हैं, बट कितने ज्यादा पढ़े हैं ये निकालने के लिए हम इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. डिफरेंस मतलब होता है इन दोनों के बीच का गैप निकालेंगे. सो टू फाइंड द गैप, जब हम गैप फाइंड करते हैं वी डू सब्सट्रैक्शन. ओके, टू फाइंड द गैप, टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस वी डू सब्सट्रैक्शन. क्योंकि सब्सट्रैक्ट करके जो आंसर आता है वो उन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस होता है, उनके बीच का गैप होता है. तो वही हमें निकालना है कि इतना ज्यादा है. सो वी विल डू सब्सट्रैक्शन. लेट्स माइनस 79 minus 44. So now we have to minus 9 from 4. Sorry, 4 from 9. So 4 is already here. We will start counting from 9 and we will count till 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 5. 9 minus 4 is your 5. And 7 minus 4. 4 is already here. We will start counting from 5. 5, 6, 7. So 3. 7 minus 4 is your 3. So it means 35. It means Arvind has read 35 more pages. ठीक है, 35 ज्यादा पेजेस पढ़े हैं अरविंद ने, ये निकला है यहाँ से. ओके, वी फाउंड आउट दैट अरविंद has read 35 more pages than Shikha. हम शिखा से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं अरविंद को. ओके, वी आर कंपेयरिंग फ्रॉम शिखा. सो अरविंद हैज read 35 more pages than Shikha. Okay.
Now, homework. Question number 1 of your homework is Geeta has rupees 341 in her purse. She bought a book for rupees 212. How much money is left in her purse? So now Geeta has 341 in her purse. She bought rupees 341 from her home and she bought a book for rupees 212. Okay, now from that money she bought a book which cost rupees 212. So now we have to tell that how much money is left in her purse. So now we have to tell the money left with her. So you will try this question yourself. We have done this type of question earlier. So try to do this in your rough notebook and then we will discuss it in class. Now question number 2 of your homework is Baby tortoise is 88 years old. Mummy tortoise is 135 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? So here we have been told the age of baby tortoise and the age of mummy tortoise. So now we have to find out what is the difference between their age, because when we find the difference between their age, then we will get to know that how much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise. It is the same question as we have done earlier. Digits are different, so you will try this question in your rough notebook. Then we will discuss this in class. Now question number 3 of your homework is Arvind has read 92 pages of a storybook and Shikha has read 59 pages of a storybook. So Arvind is a boy who has read 92 pages of one storybook and Shikha is a girl who has read 59 pages of that storybook. So how many more pages has Arvind read than Shikha? So now we have to tell that how many more pages has Arvind read than Shikha. So to find out how many more pages has Arvind read than Shikha, we will find difference between the number of pages both of them has read. So we will find the difference between the number of pages they both have read and that will be the answer. Try this question, do this in your rough notebook and we will discuss the answer in class.
So that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.